Hi, guys. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Klover application. Keep watching the video till the end to download your Klover application. Firstly, open your Play Store. In the search box, type in Klover and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button and download the application. But if the application isn't available on Google Store in your region, open your APK application. In the search box, type in Klover and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button at the bottom of the page. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on the Install button. Tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your Klover application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.